Before we start, I need to mention that this video is created for educational and informational purposes only. Trading involves significant financial risk, and there is always a possibility of losing your invested funds. If you don't manage your risks properly, you may lose all of your capital. With that said, in this video, I'm going to show how a Pocket Option AI trading bot works in practice. We will cover how the bot operates behind the scenes, what kind of data it analyzes, and how it generates signals. The goal is to give you a clear understanding of how such systems work, without exaggeration or unrealistic expectations. Also, if you're interested in testing this bot yourself, you can try it on a demo account first. The link will be available in the comments. Now, let's get into how the bot actually works. At its core, the bot is designed to analyze market data and identify patterns that may indicate potential price movements. It does this by combining multiple types of analysis rather than relying on a single indicator or signal. One of the main components is technical analysis. The bot continuously monitors price charts and applies over 50 indicators such as moving averages, RSI, support and resistance levels, and other important technical indicators. For example, moving averages help the bot understand the general direction of the market, whether it is trending upward, downward, or moving sideways. Relative Strength Index, or RSI, can indicate whether an asset is overbought or oversold, while MACD helps detect changes in momentum. By combining these indicators, the bot tries to filter out weak signals and focus on stronger setups. In addition to technical indicators, the bot also processes historical data. This means it looks at how the market has behaved in similar situations in the past. Using machine learning models, the bot can identify recurring patterns and estimate the probability of certain outcomes. However, it's important to understand that these are probabilities, not certainties. The market is influenced by many unpredictable factors, so the bot cannot guarantee accurate predictions every time. Another key element is volatility analysis. The bot measures how fast and how strongly prices are moving. In periods of high volatility, the market can become unpredictable and signals may be less reliable. In lower volatility conditions, trends may be more stable but slower. The bot takes these factors into account and adjusts its signal generation accordingly. The bot also includes basic sentiment analysis. This involves scanning news sources or market sentiment indicators to detect whether the general mood around an asset is positive or negative. While this is not always the primary factor, it can help provide additional context to the technical signals. Once all this data is collected and processed, the bot generates a trading signal. This signal is essentially a suggestion, such as whether to enter a trade in the upward or downward direction. The decision is based on a combination of all analyzed factors, not just one condition. In many cases, the bot requires multiple confirmations before generating a signal, which helps reduce the number of low-quality trades. It's also worth mentioning that the bot does not predict the future. What it does is analyze data faster and more consistently than a human can, and then make decisions based on patterns and probabilities. Human traders can be influenced by emotions such as fear or greed, which often lead to impulsive decisions. The bot, on the other hand, follows a fixed set of rules and does not deviate from its logic. However, markets change over time, and strategies that worked in the past may need adjustments. Because of this, it's always a good idea to monitor the bot's performance and not rely on it blindly. If you're curious to see how this bot works in practice, you can find the link in the comments. I want to remind you once again that trading involves risk. This video is not financial advice, and this bot does not guarantee any profits. Also, keep in mind that trading binary options may be restricted or regulated in some countries, so make sure to check your local laws before using any platform or tool. Now, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video.